Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video, a Ipsy unbagging. I got my Boxy charm yesterday, and I just got my Ipsy today. So let's unpack it. It's very filled to the brim, and this is not even the regular bag. I'm gonna go in with my add-ons first and what's in the bag. Okay, let go. Because this is one of my add-ons, this is what everything came in. This is the ultimate bag. I actually wanted the Glam Bag Plus bag, and I thought the ultimate bag would be bigger, but this is an okay bag to put my everyday makeup in. So, excuse me. So on my channel, I do like monthly makeup, like Shop My Stash. I could put this stuff in here, so instead of putting it in a bag. So yeah, that's good. That's why I bought it in the first place, but thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. I paid $12 for this, and it's really good quality. The zipper quality is nice rose gold handle. I do like the marble packaging, and yeah, I like the feel of it. Okay. It has nice pink inside and a good zipper for the inside. This could be for brushes. But yeah, so Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription. You get 5 not full size, 5 sample size products, maybe 1 or 2 full size products. You get a choice every single month. I know what I chose, and yeah, you get to add on every single Tuesday, or not Tuesday, every single second of the month, because you get billed on the first. So yeah, I will leave a link down below if you're interested, and let's get into the rest of my add-ons. Ooh, that's not an add-on. This is originally $25. I got it for $12. This is the Thrive mascara. I've heard a lot of people rave about it, and I just wanted to try it out. Also, I got this. It came in the box. I thought they were just gonna give it to me not in the box. I got this. I got introduced to this brand during the Ipsy event, and this is amazing. This retails for $10, and I got it for $3. I actually got mine right here. It is so good. I'm running low on it. Usually I use this or my fresh caramel lip balm, or my coconut lip balm, or my Mario Badescu. Like, those are like my winter lip balms, and I just had to get a backup. And then I got this little baby because I needed another cleansing, especially I like to use cleansing balms also for my brushes, and I wanted to try this out. So yeah, I just got this little baby sample. It probably is not even worth $3, but hey. Now let's get into the bag. So this is the bag this month. It's really cute. It's a great like in the purse thing. I thought it was ugly when I saw it online, but seeing it in person actually is really nice. And the material is just so good. Like, now I know what everybody was talking about when they said it was a nice material that if you just spill something, you can just wipe it off. I really like the way it feels. The theme for the month is Clean Slate. I was actually looking for the choice date, but they just have like stuff like for a contest on the back. Anyways, this is a Luxie fan brush. I love Luxie brushes. I love getting brushes, so I'm excited for this. And they actually have like prices on this. So the fan brush retails for $18, so that's already the value of the box. Would I have bought this? No, I would have bought a different brush. So, but I'm glad, because I do use fan brushes, that I got a fan brush. Okay, the next product that I have here is from Morphe. This is what I chose. This is in the shade 5.45. I actually am like skin tone 5.55, so this is a highlighting shade for me. I just got a concealer in my BoxyCharm box, the Pretty Vulgar concealer, but I really wanted to try out the Morphe formula. It does smell like paint though. I smelled it in stores, and I tested it out in stores. So, and also I want to do a full face of Morphe, so that's coming to you soon. Wow, next month I have full face of Becca, full face of Morphe, full face of Pretty Vulgar, and full face of Too Faced. That's 4 full faces. I mean, I did 3 full faces this month, so I guess I could do 4. If not, then I just won't do Pretty pretty vulgar. That retails for $9, I know for a fact. This is a beauty for real. Yeah, it retails for $9. You get the best of many worlds with this tinted lip balm. Oh, it's a tinted lip balm. Oh. It retails for $14. It's in the shade Hannah. Oh, I like this shade. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because I saw, like, when you do add-ons and you kind of see what's on your box. I knew that was in my box, but I saw this and I was like, ugh, because it kind of looked a little bit too pinky, but it's a mauvey, deep mauvey. I like it. This is what it looks like. I really like my bag this month. Oh my gosh. Ooh, what is ooh, we got a body scrub. I never get body scrubs in Ipsy, and I've always wanted to get a body scrub, especially I've been liking the Way body scrub, and oh my gosh, I got this body scrub. I'm so excited. This is a charcoal bamboo detoxifying body scrub. This is a sample size. The full size retails for 27 bucks. The last item in my bag is from Nomad, and I don't like this. It's an eyeshadow. I want an eyeshadow palette, not an eyeshadow, but okay. Okay, it's a nice color. If this could pop out and I could put it in my magnetic palette, then I'm okay with it. Okay, one product I'm not here for. That's not that bad. Altogether, this bag retails for $46.06 with the Luxie brush, this, the Morphe lipstick, and this is $5.06 with the ounces, because the full size is 8 ounce and this is 1.5 fluid ounces. So that's a good retail value for $12. Yeah, so I hope you guys like my bag. If you like Ipsy, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and watch my other videos that'll be popping up any time now. Anyways, bye you guys, and have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching, and remember, shine bright like a diamond. And